Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have a quick revision of passive voice. Do you still remember the reasons why we have to use passive voice? There are actually three main reasons to use passive voice. Let's take a look at these examples. The first reason is if the subject is unknown. That means you don't know who the doer of the action is. For example, his wallet was stolen. Notice this happened in the past, so we use was, the past form of to be, and stolen, the past participle of steal. Who stole the boy's wallet? We don't know. When the subject is unknown and we don't know who the doer is, we use passive voice. The second reason to use passive voice is when we want to emphasize the object. For example, Peter was not chosen for the football team. Actually, in this case, we know who the subject is. The coach is the subject. The coach did not choose Peter for the football team. However, the coach is not important. Peter is more important. We want to emphasize the object Peter. When the doer of the action is not that important, we don't have to mention it in the sentence. The third reason of using passive voice is when the subject is obvious from the context. For example, the baby was born yesterday. Did you know that the word born is the past participle of bear? Here, the subject is mom, and this is obvious. Everyone knows. A mom gave birth to her child yesterday. When the doer of the action is obvious, we don't have to say it. Do you guys still remember how to form passive sentences? First, make sure you don't mix up the subject and the object of the action. For example, now you see a sentence in active voice. The teacher teaches the students. The subject is the teacher. The teacher is the subject who performs the action, the doer. The action is to teach, and the object would be the students. Students are the ones who receive the action. When we have the sentence in active voice, we can easily change it to a passive one, like this. The object goes first, followed by to be according to the tense, plus past participle, plus by subject. By subject is optional. For example, if the sentence is in the simple present tense, the teacher teaches the students, then the passive form of it would be the students as the object, are simple present tense of to be, taught as the past participle by the teacher. The students are taught by the teacher. The same rule applies to every tense actually. Simply look at the picture. We only have to change the verb to be into different tenses to form different passive sentences, including the simple present, simple past, simple future, present continuous, present perfect, and even for modal verbs. Basically, we can use passive for every tense. That is all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.